The instructions for the midterm are in the syllabus and also on the instructions on the discussion board, but I wanted to quickly review the questions to give you a little bit of direction in preparing for them. Number one, in the context we discussed in class, how would you go about formulating a definition of civilization? Can warlike people be considered civilized? Identify and explain one early civilization. So what you want to do for this question is you want to identify the 6 characteristics we discussed in chapter 1 that qualify a culture to be a civilization, then take an early civilization and apply those 6 characteristics, illustrating how it meets the definition of a civilization, and then also include can warlike people be civilized, and make sure you support either why or why not you believe that. And this question comes from chapter 1. Also from chapter 1 is how did the course of ancient Egyptian history differ from that of Mesopotamia? What role did geography play in the history of each area? So you want to describe the characteristics, comparing and contrasting Mesopotamia and Egypt, but emphasizing how geography played a role in their development. And then number 3, which is from the first 5 chapters, compare and contrast the various religions covered in chapters 1 through 5. And so address all the religions we discuss and then describe their characteristics, comparing and contrasting. Number 4 is from chapter 3, discuss, compare, and contrast Sparta and Athens. And in this question, you want to, again, look at Sparta and Athens, obviously, but look at their government and their culture, and also how geography impacted their development. And then number 5, which is from chapter 4, discuss and evaluate Philip II and Alexander the Great. What did they do, why did they do it, and how did they do it? And then for the 6th question, discuss the development of Roman government during the Roman Republic. As you'll see in chapter 5, we're going to split the Roman Republic into the early, middle, and late republics. And when addressing the government, most of this will come from the early republic, but some of it from the from the late republic. So most of it will come from the early republic, some from the late. You need to prepare for 4 of these questions. That way, no matter what 4 I put on the exam, you'll be covered. Also, you're welcome to submit an outline to me to make sure you're on the right track. I'll give you some feedback. The deadline for that is in the syllabus and also in the instructions for the midterm on the discussion board. So, any questions, let me know.